Vegan chocolate pudding parfaits. These are deliciously decadent for dessert or just for a snack. They will definitely satisfy your chocolate cravings. With just a handful of ingredients, you'll have this ready quick. You'll need to melt some vegan chocolate chips either in the microwave with 30-second intervals of heating and stirring or in a double boiler. Then add extra firm silken tofu. It has to be silken. The regular kind will leave it grainy. Then add melted chocolate, cocoa powder, maple syrup, vanilla, and salt to a blender or food processor until you get a nice pudding-like consistency. It only takes a few seconds. Then you build your parfait. I'm using chilled pudding here, but I recommend building the parfait and then chilling it so you get a nice cold and firm consistency. It's also slightly easier to spread to make nice looking parfaits. Add your layers of granola and yogurt and then top with a dollop more of pudding with some granola and grated vegan chocolate on top and chill for about an hour. Hope you enjoy this easy treat. Visit Nuts and Twigs to get the details and sign up for my newsletter for the latest on Nuts and Twigs, where we make nuts and twigs delicious. Thanks for watching.